Are we on yet? Why didn't you tell me, Domkov? If you think I look stupid, you should look in the mirror. Oh, we are on. Yes, this is Domkov. I know you cannot recognize me. We've got a bunch of security protecting our government. I'm next to this man. He calls himself, he's an idiot. He calls himself Ruffy. What an idiot. Anyone who wears this type of clothes cannot be too right in the head. Wait a minute. Don't go. I'm dressed this way. Why did you tell me to say that? I cannot smile. We don't have a Big Mac in my country.